Going to do to game this narrative pushing hive mind mentality, and you know, of the 37,000 that is shown, you know, I really only think there's 4,000 to 5,000 real people out there. So those of you that are real and that do have a brain, I know this isn't going to bother you because you're likely already in the Discord anyway. If you would like to communicate to me, you must now come to the Discord, because guess what I'm going to do? YouTube, you can no longer comment on any of my videos. Why? There's no point to. All it is a bunch of bot-ridden and or gullible people spreading nonsense. So if you want to do that shit, come to the Discord. You can do it there. I have your own channel there for you where you can discuss this shit. No longer on the channel. The video is going to be for educational purposes only, because that's what this channel is. You can deny reality all you want, but you're no longer going to do it on my channel. So again, if you would like to comment on anything or talk to me at all, come to the Discord. You'll get to know me, and it's a lot better actually when you get this bullshit out of the way, because again, I'm not in any position in my life right now where I need 35,000 people, when in reality it's more like 5,000 people. Those people are the core of this channel, and those are the ones that if I lost 20,000 subs today, I'd be happy. So please, don't get upset. This is just how it has to be. If you would like to talk to me, there's a Discord that's open to the public for free. You're welcome to come there. If you have a problem with that, I don't know what to tell you. I've been putting up with this shit for a year. It's time that I don't have to deal with this crap anymore, and that's exactly what I'm going to do. So I'm turning off all my comments on my Twitter. I'm turning off all of it. I might even delete my Twitter. There's no point to have it. If you want to talk to me, if you want to follow me, come to the Discord. There's a feed in there that posts every time I post a video, every time I post a tweet, anything like that. There's no reason why you should feel like you can only communicate with me on the YouTube comment section. If that's the case, I don't believe you're really human in the first place. So again, I think this is the best move for the channel and for the people of my channel. Members, of course, they have a little bit special privilege, but that's a different story. Those of you that would like to enjoy my content, you can still do so. I'm still going to be covering stuff, but I'm not going to be opening it to comments. It's a waste of energy, time, and space, and nothing productive comes out of it. So again, sorry it has to be this way, but I've put up with it for too long. Nothing's changing. It's only getting worse, and it's something I got to do. It is what it is. If you want to unsubscribe because of it, go right ahead. It doesn't bother me at all. Thanks for following me as long as you followed me. But I'm not going to put up with this shit anymore. Going to keep moving forward with reality, and those of you that can't handle it will have to silently weep, because you can no longer talk to me until or unless you come to the Discord, which you're invited to do. Which again, most people that don't like me because they've only seen me on YouTube, they come to the Discord, and yeah, it's all good because they talk to me as a person without all the convolution. So again, I'm going to keep doing what I've been doing, and nothing's going to change. I'm going to keep moving forward. No one out there can stop me. You can try to attack me, dox me, whatever you want to do. But again, just keep in mind, you're not going to find shit. There's nothing out there. There's no dirt on me. I have nothing to hide. And I'm going to continue bringing you reality day in and day out, despite your feelings. So again, thanks for all the worthless comments, people, or bots, I should say. Those of you that have followed me and the true followers, ignore this video. Everything's going to remain the same. If you want to talk to me and reach out to me, discord.gg/FUDstop. I'll link it in the description below. Have a good one.